Welcome to Sunday Book Review at My Money Streets. Today we have taken Easy Money, the second book written by Vivek Kaul. Watch the video till the end. As promised earlier, I have come to you with the finance tips which can make your life easier when it comes to finance. So watch the video till the end. You can also check mymoneystreets.com to read the full review and follow me on Twitter and Facebook page. In one of his rare interviews, Vivek Kaul mentioned he writes for his mother, implying that he tries to keep his writing so simple that people can understand it without any economics background. I must say he has remained true to his words in his trilogy. Easy Money is the second book of his Easy Money trilogy. Vivek Kaul is a respected columnist. He writes extensively in Indian publications. His books on easy money, namely Evolution of Money from Robinson Crusoe to the First World War, Book 2 being Evolution of the Global Financial System to the Great Bubble Burst, and Book 3 is the Inside the NPMS and How It Threatens the Indian Banking System. So today we will be discussing his second book, Easy Money, Evolution of Global Financial Systems. Vivek's Kaul trilogy on money unfolds the economic history to us, detailing the important historic events and decisions which led to the current global economic situation. The subtle and structured narration takes the reader through the ever-evolving global financial system. Written in 10 chapters, this handbook captures economics of currency war, rise of Hitler, softening of European economies through Second World War, the relationship of paper money with gold. This book captures the economic evolution between early 20th century and 21st century in view of major world currencies in the backdrop of gold, petroleum and modern international trades. It meticulously covers the nuances of evolution of stock market, bond market, interest rate movements, leading up to easy availability of money, which led to the tech bubble burst, eventually the real estate collapse of 2008. The grasping tale of world economy between 20th and 21st century finds a mention of the largest economies of the world, their international trade relations, rise and fall of the currency, etc. It finds some mention of Asian countries, however, India doesn't make the cut. But in his next book, Book 3 Bad Money, Vivek Kaul writes about the NPMS in the Indian banking system and how it can affect us. And we have come to the financial tip for the day. This tip for everybody who is interested in their financial life. So tip for the day is ask questions to your financial advisor. Ask for the product details if they will trying to sell you mutual fund, insurance, anything. Ask for the product details. Ask for the illustrations on benefits, returns. Ask what other products are available in the same category and ask questions till the time you are satisfied. Take the papers, read it up, then you take a call on financial decision because it's going to be your money, your time, your resources. The financial advisor will be making money out of it. So the onus is on you to understand it better. Make some efforts and get better with your finances. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up. You can subscribe to my channel for more videos on financial literacy and book reviews. You can check my blog in mymoneystreets.com. You can follow me on Twitter in debashri_ad. You can also follow the Facebook page My Money Streets. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye.